I already installed this corner acrylic sheet. Let us see how to fit this also. When you make hole, see, this is the diameter of the screw you are placing. This is 3.1 mm. So when you make hole, you should not use the bigger diameter of the drill bit. Why? Because if you use the bigger diameter of the drill bit, the screw becomes loose. So please take care. Use the drill bit of the less one. So the screw will be tight. If you use the little bit less one, of course it will take little effort, but the job will be done in a high manner. Remember, when you place the drill bit inside of the drilling machine, see, check it before. This much is the length, and keep little bit more than the screw length, little bit more when you place it. You have to follow these tricks. See, and one more thing, when you are making a hole from this side, see, the screw length is little bit more. When you place this, see, this is the thickness, so it will stop. So the screw will go up to here. If in case, if it is becoming lengthy, cut up to here. The screw should not come out from this area. Please keep it in mind. First, remove the screws. This is the acrylic sheet. It's a high quality sheet. Unscrew. When you unscrew this, it will come out like this. Remove the same like this. The screws which you are going to tight will go like this. Why? Because see, this shape is different. It gives a fine look, where this is the normal. When the sheet goes, it should be like this. See, like this, like this, not like this. The top portion should not be like this. It should be like this. It is the standard ones. And please remember, I tell you one thing, the screw head, the size of the screw head is very, very important. Why? Because it should go like this, and it should sit like this. It should not come up. See, it should not come up. Sit exactly. Otherwise what happens? Otherwise the sheet will not go fully. See, it should go fully. Watch this portion. It should go fully. First place it. Make a hole. Okay. After that, make it. Take this piece. Insert the screw, place this and tight it. At this point, when you come here, don't tight it fully, just leave it. By placing this, make the second hole. Check the level and place this. Once you did that, give little bit time. Why? Because the bit becomes hot. Once it goes fully inside, remove it. That is the screw portion. Let it go inside. After that, now I am going to tighten this one. I have to tighten it fully. Yes, it is fully tightened. Now it won't move. See, this must be the standard. It should not move at all. Inside fully. And make a mark here. See, this is the mark. Black marking here. This is the marking here. Place it here like this, at this level. Place this and tighten it. Take the second screw. 2 screws are more enough. Why? Because we are putting this in wood. Yes, this is the exact fitment. These are the screws. You have to tighten them, otherwise the sheet will come out. Job is over. I am placing the flower vase inside of this. We can keep anything which looks better. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.